Hi, I'm Jason. I'm here at VIO Condominium number 704. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the condo with you and point out some highlights, features, and benefits of this condo home. So you're not here to see me, so let's get going. Enter a nice foyer here. Immediately to your left, got the guest bathroom, porcelanosa cabinets, quartz countertop, nice marble style porcelain tile floor, and you've got a shower tub combination there. It's quite a spacious bathroom. Coming out right here on the left, got the all-important washer and dryer. Those are Bosch. Continuing on, got the kitchen here, as you can see. Stainless steel thermador appliances, gray quartz countertops, glass tile backsplash, under cabinet LED lighting, high-end thermador appliances with gas cooking, some pantry storage there, LED recessed lights, kitchen island with additional storage. Here there's a double coat closet. And we get into an open living room, dining room area. Overhead lighting there. Quite spacious. Wall of windows there. Here you've got the balcony. Really nice views of the Washington Channel, Potomac River, Haynes Point, and even Reagan National Airport. Here to the left is the master bedroom. Another wall of windows. Room for a king-size bed if you'd like. To the right we have walk-in closet. Well appointed for a lot of clothes, as you can see. California closet system. Shelves, drawers. A lot of great storage space. Around the corner here, we have the master bath. Marble walk-in shower. Marble flooring. Elegant pedestal sink. Mirrored medicine cabinet. Here's the second bedroom, den or home office. Currently set up as a den. Room for a queen size bed, probably, maybe a king. Another nice walk-in closet here. California closet systems in here as well. Really great storage. As you can see, you can get a lot in there. And back out to the common living space one more time. Check out the floor plan online and the property listing for a better idea of the layout if this video doesn't help. VIO has a 24-hour concierge in the lobby, saltwater infinity pool, gym, yoga studio, dog washing station, and car detailing station. Contact an agent for more info.